in real estate, every time a property sells, there's a whole army of little helpers, I call them,
Yeah. Yeah.
who provide some value to the transaction and they take a fee. Okay. So of course you have the real estate brokers and the realtors, and then you also have the lawyers. You have the title company and the folks who work there.
Wait a minute. You count the title company as the title insurance as a value add to the transaction?
Well, 99 out of 100, it's not, but the one time you need it, I guess.
that one out of 100 may come in real value. All right.
The bankers,
right,
CPAs.
Right.
So all these folks, although they may not own rental properties directly, they are in a great position to refer you business. And so it would behoove you, and it did me, to stay in front of them, sort of remind and refresh them that, hey, I'm in the business of property management. I'm a thought leader in the space. We do right by our clients, and kind of, hope that they're going to remember you next time their client buys a property. So I did a lot of that.